A lot of Amazon sellers get wrong by turning off their ads. If you ever thought, my organic sales are doing well, I don't need ads, or let me pause ads to save some money, then you are with a totally wrong concept. But the truth is, turning off your ads can kill your sales and ranking on Amazon. And I will show exactly why. As we know, Amazon's algorithm built on momentum. So if you get more sales, your product will automatically boost into the top. This is what we call Amazon flywheel effect. So the equation will be more sales can help you to get better ranking will increase visibility, and more visibility can bring even more sales. But when you turn off ads, you cut off that momentum. Your sales drop, your rank slip, and suddenly your organic visibility starts disappearing. Now, why organic sales drop when you stop the ads? A lot of people think organic sales is separate from the ad-driven sales, but it's not, because if you get good sales from ads, it will help you to boost your organic sales as well, because they work together. Number one, if you pause the ads, you will not get the new traffic anymore, because from the organic items, you will not get that much brand to new customers. Number two, Amazon rewards consistent sales. If sales slow down, your ranking takes a hit. And number three, competitors will take your place. While you pause your ads, the competitor will take your place where your ads were appearing. So if you stop ads, you lose traffic, sales slow down, and Amazon sees your product as less relevant. Now I will show you a real life impact from my screen. A seller I worked with decided to pause their ads for 2 weeks. Their organic sales dropped by 35%. You can see here in the January month, the spending around 6,000 and the PPC sales was 42k and the business sales was 110k. Where if I compare with the February month, you can see after pausing the ads for 2 weeks, the spending decreased around 2,000 and the PPC sales decreased around 10,000. And the main part, you can see the business sales. So it's decreased around from 110 to 71 now. So 35% has decreased here. You can see in the March month, after reopening the ads, he had to spend 17k to get the same sales he got in January. From there, I can say they actually lost sales and had to spend more to recover. The right way to adjust the ad spending. Sometimes you need to adjust your budget rather than completely stop your ads. Instead of pausing any keyword or campaign, you can adjust their bid or the budget. Secondly, you need to focus on high converting keywords. You need to check your search term regularly and need to cut down the irrelevant search term. You can use departing. By using departing, you will be able to find which time is peak time for you and which is not. Based on this, you can adjust your budget. I hope you understand now why actually turning off the ads is not a good idea. If you have any more question or confusion, you can let us know in the comment section, and also you can mail us info@ecomclips.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.